high guard, looking for these strong body shots from our Filipino boxer.
Beautiful body work, then goes upstairs.
Look, he's got him in the corner. Kumar Saura feeling the pressure here. Another.
Matapos nakaranas ng malubhang pagkatalo sa mga kamay ng The Monster ng Japan, Naoya Inoue, nagbabalik ang The Nightmare ng Pinas, Marlon Tapales, upang dipinsahan ang kanyang kasalukuyang titulo, ang WBC Asian Continental Super Bantamweight title na kanyang nasungkit noong Mayo 10 sa kasalukuyang taon laban kay natapong Jiang Kaiwu. Sa pagbabalik ng The Nightmare ng Pinas, dumayo na ito sa bansang Cambodia upang dipinsahan ang kanyang titulo laban kay Saurabh Kumar. Matapos ang 10 rounds na bakbakan, ay itinanghal na panalo ang ating kababayan sa pamamagitan ng unanimous decision. Unang rounds pa lamang ay nag-alanganin na agad si Saurabh Kumar sa pag-atake. Pansin na takot ito sumabay sa ating kababayan. Pansin rin na tila hilaw pa itong Indiano upang lalaban sa kampyonato. Kaya't pinagsamantala na ng ating kababayan na si Marlon Tapales ang pagkakataon.
My God, Saurabh with the searching feints and jabs.
Oh, Kumar trying to come in with a big, strong right overhand, but can't quite find his place. Marlon keeping that guard high. Tapales, once again known as the Nightmare. And wow! Kumar trying to find that 1-2, but he just can't find his place. There we are. Tapales again, coming back strong, heavy punches to the body. An uppercut, can he? Strong right overhand to Kumar Saurabh.
He's rocked him with the right, beautiful shot selection.
Oh!
Filipino with the left hook.
Place with that right hook, we just landed a left. Oh, he goes for an uppercut.
He's got a box of tricks, the Filipino. There's that left hand.
There it
Saurabh
is.
in a bit of trouble here.
Trying to find his pace, and he can't quite. Oh, fantastic combo from the Filipino.
That was, oh, it was a naughty one. There's the body shots from Tapales.
And here he comes, coming in hot. Another strong body shot from Tapales.
Less than 30 seconds to go now. The left hand is uncaught. Another left to the body and the right. A range of strikes.
Kumar rightfully guarding his torso like that. These are strong, heavy body shots of the Filipino fighter here. Marlon Tapales just showing a fantastic array of striking ability. Just 10 seconds to go in our second
Captain
round.
Pipi and Afratu.
The end of our second round, Filipino boxer.
Sa round number 1 at round number 2 ay maging mabisang suntok ang straight to the body upang ibaba ni Kumar ang kanyang depensa, at iilang solidong suntok na rin ang nakatama sa katawan at mukha ni Kumar.
Moment, that's it.
Those body shots are going to work.
With the power he intends, Marlon's footwork.
Tapales cracks a right hand to the body.
I felt that one right to the torso of our Indian boxer. 1-2. Kumar strikes back. Shots and then with another strong right overhand.
Less than a minute to go in the third. The uppercut. They're up with the flurries now, late in round 3. There's the jab to Tapales.
Tapales looking for one more. Can he finish off the...
Captain Pipi.
Looking to put the pressure on early in this fourth round here. 1-2 from the Filipino.
Lovely right to the body, Tapales.
Oh, Tapales. Tapales got his high guard. Looking for these strong body shots from our Filipino boxer.
Beautiful body work, then goes upstairs.
Look, he's got him in the corner. Kumar Saura feeling the pressure here. Another fantastic uppercut from our Filipino boxer. Marlon Tapales unleashing on the body of Kumar. The power just swinging from his hips there. The striking power, strong left from Marlon Tapales. Rhythm here in the fourth, keeping that pressure on.
Excellent staying power from Saurabh. Tapales will unleash the fury.
Marlon, he's got that proximity. More! Just thunderous body shots to Kumar Saura. Marlon.
Oh, I felt that to the body. Body shot of his own. Kumar Saurabh now investing in the body.
Straight in torso. Kumar's spot of bother here. Marlon Tapales again, he's got this rhythm. He's looking unfazed. He's going to strike.
Glory.
Sa dami ng binitawang malalakas na suntok ni Marlon Tapales ay nanatiling nakatayo pa rin ang Indiano na tila isang matayog na kahoy na pawindang-windang sa gitna ng bagyo.
Very lightly well up on the scorecards. Making his moments when he wants to step things up.
The pace, the location in the ring. Once again, Marlon just trying to find more punches.
Doubling up with his punches. An excellent ring generalship being shown by the fellow.
I think if you could hit him with a freight train, I don't see this man going down. To his fight so far. Can't quite. Fantastic combo from the Filipino, laying into the torso. Oh.
Again, that left hand is fired off with venom. There's 10 seconds left. Ooh, that right hook narrowly missed the chin. Between science in round 6.
Sa kabila ng kasagsagan ng matitinding atake ng ating kababayan, ay nanatiling matibay itong Indiano. Mataas ang kanyang determinasyon na tapusin ang laban.
Tapales cracks him again. That left cross. There it is. The
Cross, as he said, Andrew. Oh, the right cross for the Filipino.
His shots will wear you down. Cracks to the body.
Marlon Tapales again looking brutal shots to the torso. He comes in, he's letting go, he's letting loose.
Sarab says no, but these shots are adding up. Managing his energy.
Big left hand. To the bell, Tapales coming in and putting the pressure on our Indian.
Again, a maturity from Tapales. He's not being wild, he's picking his shots, especially in the latter stages.
You got to be careful. Oh, another strong body shot. 1, 2, 3.
How many more body shots?
Another strong right to the body from Tapales.
Good head move.
With an uppercut there we saw from Kumar Sarab.
But here's the volume from Tapales.
The Nightmare closing in. Look, oh, another strong body shot, an overhand left. Kumar is stuck in the corner. Can he get himself out? A strong torso shot. He feigns with the left and comes in with the right of the body. Another strong right.
There it is. The clock is ticking. The big left hand, Marlon Tapales. Behind those punches. With that jab.
He's got him right again in the corner. Just brutal body shots and one to the head of Kumar Sarab. Can Tapales continue the punishment? Oh, Kumar. Tapales going. Oh, fantastic left from Tapales.
Big left cross.
Kumar.
Sa pagpasok ng huling 2 rounds, hinigpitan palalo ni Marlon Tapales ang kanyang pag-pressure. Nasa intensyon ni Tapales na tapusin niya ang laban.
Marlon Tapales with a high guard, good defensive work.
Tapales, the Nightmare himself.
Out of trouble, staying on the outside. He's continuing to look for that uppercut, not quite finding a home for it.
Footwork, Tapales, the footwork on this man, the stance, the strength. Strong left from Tapales.
That was a sound.
Using his footwork to find himself out. He's way out of danger there. A flurry of punches from the Indian boxer. Tapales hits back.
Oh, we can hear those shots.
Sa pagpasok ng round number 10, ang huling round, hindi na nagpatubig-tubig pa ang ating kababayan. Binuhos na ni Marlon Tapales ang lahat ng kanyang lakas at determinasyon. Sa harap ng kanyang walang humpay na pag-atake, puro depensa na lamang ang naging sagot ng Indianong si Sarab Kumar.
Maneuvers from Kumar Sarab, but he is stuck in that corner. There's the uppercut. The 1-2.
Looking for that finish, looking for that knockout. How is he going to... Oh, a fantastic uppercut from Tapales.
At sa pagtunog ng huling kampana ay walang duda, itinanghal ng ating kababayan na si Marlon Tapales bilang panalo sa laban sa pamamagitan ng unanimous decision. Isa na namang tagumpay para sa ating bansa. Mabuhay po kayo, Champ Marlon Tapales, at salamat sa karangalang binigay mo sa ating bansa.